If you're an e-commerce seller or an Amazon seller who also sells on Shopify, and you want to save a ton of time and make more money from your advertising campaigns, then stay locked in on this video because I'm going to be sharing with you how this Shopify app called Ad360 can streamline your digital advertising all over the web in one click. Whether you're wanting to shorten the amount of time it takes to launch a new campaign, or you want to leverage artificial intelligence to see a better return on your ad spend, it's all possible with Ad360 for Shopify. In this video, I'll be showing you how easy it is to connect your Shopify store to this app and the few quick steps you need to take in order to get your ad campaigns live. So let's jump into it. Real quick, before we jump into it, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith with Evolved Media Agency. We're an Amazon marketing agency that helps sellers boost the conversion rate of their listings, rank higher using off-Amazon marketing strategies, and get more reviews through email marketing. You can learn more about our services and book a free consulting call with me at emaamz.com. All right, so let me start things off by showing you the Ad360 website, sharing my screen, and kind of showing you why this tool is so cool. All right, so now you should be able to see my screen right here, and you can see that we are on the Ad360 website. Now, like I said before, this is a Shopify app, and basically Ad360 has access to this big ad platform, this ad network by the brand called Metadex. I don't know if they're the same owner or what's going on there, but basically there's this big ad network from Metadex, and basically Ad360 leverages that ad network and uses artificial intelligence to best optimize your campaigns, your targeting, your spend, all that kind of stuff. So let's dive deeper and really see what the website is telling us. So, it's for Shopify, e-commerce productivity and growth made easy. Like I said, it's like a one-click setup and then builds out all your campaigns, and then you can go in after and change the creatives if you like, change the copy, change the destination links, but ultimately it's going to pull all that creative asset and links and everything from your current Shopify site using the catalog and everything. So it really can be as easy as one click, but then you can also take it a step further and customize things a little bit more. All right, so here's where it really talks about what it does. So Ad360 simplifies the management of your ads thanks to advanced automation and machine learning algorithms. So that's that whole AI, artificial intelligence stuff. The Ad360 technology makes decisions to automatically manage the campaign's budgets, bids, targeting, and other settings so that your advertising budgets goes towards the users most likely to buy your products. All the heavy lifting is done for you so that you can relax and focus on your core business while the magic happens. Now, after I show you their website, I'm going to jump into my Shopify store, go ahead and install the app and just kind of show you how easy it is to actually set up. But just real quick, it says easily start advertising your collections. Ad360 app for Shopify leverages the automated collections feature of Shopify so that you can automatically advertise for all the products that sit in the automated collection that you've chosen for each campaign. So it says automatic dynamic creatives generator. Ad360 can build automatically and instantly create creatives elements. So like I said, it's all, we're going to show you here in a second. So let's go ahead and jump into my Shopify store and let's go ahead and search up the app in the Shopify app store and install it and get things rolling. All right, so I've searched it up in the Shopify App Store Ad360. I'm gonna go ahead and add the app. Now, they do have a 14-day free trial, and then it's just $19 a month after that. Now, the $19 a month does not include the actual ad spend. That's gonna be a separate charge, but basically you're gonna pay $19 a month for just using the app. So I clicked it. It's now going to go ahead and add it. So let's go ahead and install the app right there. All right, so this page is just saying, do I approve this subscription? I have a 14-day free trial, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna go ahead and hit approve right there. Okay, so I clicked on the Getting Started tab right here and it says Quick Start. Let's go ahead and click the Create Quick Ads button, and hopefully that will give us some pretty quick and easy campaigns to set up. So the daily budget, I'm just gonna put it at $10 a day. We're gonna click on Create Quick Ads. Yes, confirm. $10 a day. You can spend whatever you want, $20 a day, $30 a day. But for now, I'm just gonna do 10. All right, so it's saying here, congrats, your quick ads are ready. Nothing else you need to do. Now you can admire your creatives and campaigns. So creatives, that's where obviously you're gonna put in your images that you may want to run. Here, it's gonna show the automatic created images that it has for me. I can update creative right there. I can show it right there by clicking show. Now this is actually a store that we have for chatbot templates and things like that. So that's one of our little templates that we offer is an Amazon giveaway template. So that's the ad that it created. So pretty legit. I mean, I wouldn't really even need to change that. So I could just leave that. But if I wanted to change the creative, you got a leaderboard. There's the pixel dimensions right there. And then you can, update that exact image if you choose to. Now let's click over to campaigns and see what it's got set up in here. Okay, so it looks like it created a retargeting campaign. As you can see right here under the type, it's spending $10 a day. And basically what that is going to do is when people visit my website, it's gonna automatically follow them around the internet using the Metadex ad network that they have. And it's gonna show up on all these different websites and things like that. So it's gonna really help me with people that abandon their cart and abandon the website and go and browse my store and then leave. This is gonna really help me recapture some of those sales. Now also, you can link in your Google Ads account, you can link in your Facebook Ads account, and you can actually use this Ad360 platform to manage those different ad accounts to get your ads performing even better there. But I mean, as you saw, it's super easy to set up a retargeting campaign. Now, if I wanna create other campaigns, let's see what it looks like when I click Create Campaign right there. We're just gonna type in any name. Test sounds good with me. Budget, we'll just put it at $10 a day. Max bid is 20 USD, so maybe we should put it at 20 bucks a day. And under campaign goals, I'm just gonna put traffic. Exploration level, we'll just leave it at 32. I don't really know what that means. I guess we could hover over that. This determines the percentage of the budget which will not be actively redeployed based on performance. So I'm just gonna leave it at 32. And then it went ahead and launched a new campaign right there. So again, what this is going to do is just run ads on different platforms, different websites, different areas all across the internet using that artificial intelligence. And then it's just going to drive traffic to my website. And then the retargeting campaign should kick in and continue to follow them around on those different websites. So really, Ad360 is super easy to set up. Again, it's $19 a month after your 14-day free trial. Then your actual billing amount, $10 a day or whatever you set it as your daily budget, that's gonna hit your payment method, I believe, through the actual Shopify site, because I didn't actually give them any kind of credit card information, so I'm guessing they're just pulling my payment information from Shopify. But super quick and easy. Highly recommend you check them out. We will see down the road what kind of reduced customer acquisition costs I get, as well as overall what my return on ad spend turns out to be. But setting things up was super easy, so you don't actually have to build out ads yourself. Pretty much the artificial intelligence and the Ad360 platform builds it all out for you, handles the targeting and creative and copy and everything like that. But again, it does allow you to go in and change creative, change copy, change things if you really want to, but it can be as simple as just setting the budget and then doing a couple clicks to literally just have it all be created. So really cool stuff right there. Ad360, very easy to set up. I highly recommend you check them out. If you want to go to their website, it's ad360.media. I'll have the link below in the video description as well. But hopefully this video was helpful for you. Again, if you're an Amazon seller that sells on Shopify, or you're just a Shopify seller alone, definitely should be something that you check out. It's worth a try, right? 14-day free trial, not much risk there. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful for you, and I'll catch you in the next one.